Okay, we have a Bridgeport vertical milling machine, model Series 1. Serial number from the rebuilder 79327. This machine was completely rebuilt in 2015. It has a Series 1 Bridgeport milling head, variable speed, 9x42 table, which is flaked all along the top of it, as well as a chrome ways on the saddle and underneath the table. There's chrome has been redone and flaked, and 3-axis power feeds for your longitudinal cross and your vertical knee travel. You also have, we're going to run it for you now, you also have a Heidenhain digital readout and a micrometer indicator, Mitutoyo micrometer indicator for your quill depth. 2400 RPM in your high range. Machine's very quiet. Spindle brake, back gear. 300 in the back gear, going down. 150, very, very quiet. Power feed for the longitudinal. And you can see on the, hold on, let it go a little longer. You can see on the digital readout, which is a Heidenhain, it's working. All right. Cross power feed. Also, you can see on the digital readout. Other direction. And for your knee. Your knee vertical up and down. Yep. And, oh, the quill. Show the quill for him. There's your quill, and then obviously your depth gauge. There you go. Okay, great. Hey, thank you for watching our video.